Alright, hey guys, Buyers M66 again. Much better day today, and I'm going to finish up the install of the KLR Dash and the zero gravity. I changed a little from the original instructions, and I'll show you what I did here. I'd mentioned I was going to keep my stock windscreen, had it cut, so I still have a little bit of a shelf here when I put everything on. The dash itself will fits in nice, and we'll go through that. What I did though is, because I had the stock windscreen in there, I used the screws that were provided for the new windscreen to hold everything in place instead of using the bolt and nut. It just looks a little nicer. Everything else I'm going to go by instruction. So I'm going to pop on the double bubble right now. Sorry about the wind noise, it's so windy here. It's gusting 35, sometimes 40. I was working today at the marina. Man, was it blowing. So, again, here's the zero gravity. I gotta dust everything off. And if it goes like it did yesterday, everything should just slide right in. Of course it does. It's great when everything goes the way it's supposed to. Now up here I'm using the old stock black screws just for aesthetics. And I'm not tightening them all in until I get every one of these caught up. You don't want to do that. You want to get them all in at least, and then go ahead and tighten it down so everything pulls together nicely. There's a reason for that. That thing is out. Just one more. I'm not a real vlogger because I still haven't got the concept down. Don't put your back to the camera. Alright, so now everything's in. Now we can tighten them down. Like I said, everything came in the kit, which is nice. I don't like running to Lowe's or Home Depot for stuff if I don't have to. So I don't want to over crank them. Alright, so that's done. I'm going to show you what that gives me, aside from this wicked profile. Behind the dash, hopefully you can see this, I get a little shelf here. Got a little wind coming up this way, which is fine. But I have enough of a shelf that nothing's going to slide out there, like if I put some gloves down there, or I pop my baseball hat behind it. I mean, just look how much higher that comes up. Here's where the stock one ended. Right there. Now I gotta cut these things off still, but I'll get the dash up there. And again, the dash goes on. The dash goes on really easily. all my parts. Just get everything started. Now that everything is grabbed, I can just go at it with the 10mm socket. Now the dash is going to have to come off eventually. Well, maybe not, I don't know. Once I get the mounts and I map where they're going to go on there, I may or may not have to take it off. I may just take it off because it's going to be easier to drill it on a flat surface. Drill press at work. But so that is the completed project. Got the dash, the double bubble, and the risers. That does look wicked. I'll have to get out and ride it today and see what kind of a difference I feel. So I'm going to call the project finished. There's some fine tuning. And once I get everything mounted, I'll show you guys that too. So that's it. It's a good day to ride too. The sun's out. It's real windy, but I'm not going to get on the highway. So that's it. Thanks for watching.